Welcome guys. Welcome back to another one of our Jamaica is a series. Today guys, you know what I'm doing, guess? Brown stew coconut fish with Jamaican turn cornmeal.
But mommy, anyway people, that's Jackie, because she forget to tell the new people them who she is. But what's most important, mommy, is to tell the people them that this come from one of our, subscribers. He asked when you did your Tsp fish. Salmon, when she did the Tsp salmon, so she's doing it for him.
Hoping that he'll see it, and he's still watching us. So today, this one is for you. Okay, first of all, you notice I already, prepped my fish.
Yes, with our bright self people.
I prepped it with all-purpose, black pepper, and salt. Now, for me starting to fry my fish, I'll be cutting up pepper, garlic, and for our gravy with the fish and the coconut, onions, sweet pepper, carrots. That's basically it. What I'm gonna do is preheat my pot and start frying my fish. Now guys, that I'm preheating my pot, I cut my pepper in half, and I'm going to be beating my garlic to put in the hot pot as well. We normally do that. Here you go guys. Clean thing, you have to wash it off, clean it. Then I peel the skin off. And I'm going to be throwing it into the pot. Okay guys, yes, taking them out. Guys, I'm putting the seasoning into the coconut milk now. So it's my scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, and tomatoes. And I'll be putting salt in also. Okay guys, put the salt in, leave it, stir it in, and leave it here to boil in some more. Okay guys, so my coconut milk is now ready for the cornmeal, so I'm going to be putting the cornmeal in small portions and then stir it at the same time so it don't get too ticked up together.
Lumpy.
Because if you don't do that, it's going to get lumpy. So here we go. Yes guys, so now that all my cornmeal is combined together and there's no rawness in any of it, I'm gonna use my pot cover the pot and allow the cornmeal to steam for like another 10-15 minutes.
What she means by raw, it means there's no dried cornmeal left.
Yes, all of this is smooth, as you can see. All of it is smooth. Okay? Cover with the pot, cover, and let it steam for 10 minutes before you look on it. If when you look at it and you feel like you want to do a little bit more, you can do it for another 5 minutes. Yes, guys, I'm going to turn now. Make sure it's ready. Oh, yes, it is. We are ready as much as our Mr. Freddy is. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to look on it. It's been 10 minutes. Yes, it's fine. I can turn it off now because it's all good.
So that's cooked already. Turn cornmeal don't take that long to cook, people.
No.
And it's very soft.
Very. So you give a spoon on the plate with your fish and you're good. Yes, guys. Taking out the last batch. Okay. Come closer, guys. Come closer and look. See?
That's the pepper, people.
Yeah. I'm gonna brown the other side a little bit more, like for another 2 minutes, and then I'll be taking them out. Okay, guys. Taking these out now.
Gotta be careful, people. It pops.
Right in my face. That's why it's so good to have
The protector.
yes. Okay, guys. This is the coconut milk for the fish.
The batter.
Right. So I'll be putting this in and allow it to boil for a little bit before I put the fish in. In the meantime, it's there boiling. I'll put the seasoning in. And then I'll put the fish in also. So my coconut milk is now boiling up. Whenever you're going to be doing this, you should wait for the coconut milk to be boiled before you put the seasoning in. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm going to allow it to boil for another 5-6 minutes, and then I'll put the fish in. Okay, guys, so now I'll be putting the fish in the coconut milk. As you guys may notice, I'm putting in less fish than I did in the coconut milk because not all of my kids want their and my grandkids that they don't want their fish going into the coconut milk.
No,
So-
them want the fried fish, people.
Yes, they just want it fried and dry. Yeah.
Well, me want to taste the coconut thing.
Hmm?
Me want to taste it with the butter. But
Yeah.
mommy always, she's done this before. It's really good. So I'm like, I like fried fish, but I want to see how it is.
So this is the finished product of my Jamaican turn cornmeal and my brown stew coconut fish. For her, she doesn't need any more than this amount.
I don't know why she's always using me as the guinea pig, people, as my plate, the food.
That's your plate. And here goes the fish. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put a little of the coconut gravy on it. See?
You prefer the gravy on the
So
stuff.
good.
All right.
Okay, guys, so this is my finished product of my Jamaican turn cornmeal and brown stew coconut fish. I'm hoping that you guys will try this recipe, and when you do, I do hope you'll enjoy it as much as I am.
Well, people, just leave it in the comment. People, leave that whether you like it or not. Thank you to the subscriber who told us to make this. Please feel free to give us stuff you'd like us to make.
Thank you for watching. Jamaica is a series. I hope you like this vlog that we did today. Please like, share, comment, and put your notifications on.
And don't forget to subscribe, people. I hope you like this video. Please remember to share it up and just leave a comment in the sections for us, all right? And come back
next week, same time, same place. Walk good.